So these are our brand new Czeck Edge by Benchcrafted birdcage awls. We started producing these pretty recently. After we acquired Czeck Edge hand tool last year, we sort of freshened up the designs and brought some improved materials to the process. So what we're using is a product called Liberty Wood, which is an acrylic resin-infused birch veneer product. So the birch veneer is glued up into very thin layers under great pressure using a press and dyes. And what you end up with is a product that looks very, very much like rosewood and shares a lot of its characteristics. Very heavy, very dense. But the good thing is it doesn't move at all. So we can hold really tight tolerances with these tools and get a very, very crisp details like these grooves here in the middle. And as you can see, they do exhibit quite a good amount of chatoyance, which is something that we like very much at Benchcrafted. Another interesting aspect of Liberty Wood is that it takes a really nice polish. None of our tools have any finish on them. These are all just buffed and polished to a high level. So when we came up with this new design, we started playing around using some CAD software, and we started printing some 3D models of our handles just so we could hold them in our hand and get a good feel for them, see how they perform sort of in a real world use before we turn some sample handles. And this is what we ended up with. So this is our 1/4-inch steel, tool steel birdcage awl with a solid bronze ferrule and a Liberty Wood handle. We call this color crimson bronze when we pair it with the bronze ferrule. This is our 3/16 inch birdcage awl. And these tools really excel for laying out holes or doing like centers on turning. You would cross your X there and then just drill a little hole with the birdcage awl. Or if you need to drill a series of holes in a board, these are ground to a very, very sharp point, and you can locate and then just twist it, and you have a really nice pilot hole for your drill to locate into. This is our 1/4-inch birdcage awl. It's just a heavier tool for perhaps a little bit heavier holes. For thinner boards, you can actually drill holes with this, which is sort of the original, where the name came from for making bird cages. You would use this tool to drill the holes in the little bamboo pieces and make a bird cage. So, but great tool for layout. Great feel in the hand with this new profile that we've come up with. You can palm the roundosity here very nicely. It's just a great, great shape overall. And that's it. That's the Czeck Edge by Benchcrafted birdcage awl with crimson bronze Liberty Wood handles.